viewers, welcome to my channel and from Philippines and all around the world. So you know why you're so excited? Because you can watch my channel and we're going to unbox the Hot Wheels, guys. Yeah, I know yesterday it was 3, but now it's 2. So see this one? I'll try to show you this. And now here you go. There he is. And you see he's the track model. Like that thing over there. It's color green. So first one we're gonna box is Swift Fast. Here it is. Oy. Ay, caramba. I want to show you this part. Whoa. You see it has 2 engines in case when they run out of gas. Here they are. And they have 2 speed signs. There's 2 engines. One runs out of gas, and there's an extra one. And he's way too fast. He's so fast. His tires go way fast. Like the other cars. Let's put it right there. Now we're going to open a box. Alia Paddles Panel Truck. Let's box it. As soon as I get this thing opened. Hey. Oh. I'm sorry guys, my mom had to help me. So, and you see my mom just did this for me. Now I'm going to serve it. And you can see the back of the van. Pull this thing. Okay. Wow. This thing's so easy. Here's it out. Oh, there it goes. Here's Aluminum panel truck. And as you know, this is Fun with Josh. And subscribe to the link below. And make sure you send a thumbs up.